Our story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.